exactly where we, no, I did a little bit off camera. Yeah, from here it's just grinding. Half grinding, half hoping I don't get mole small for the billionth time in a row. Yep, I made all the weapon match their defensive counterpart except for one. I'm going to leave you to attempt to guess. Mold smalls. And also I nerfed your XP again. So now you just have one more. Then so now you just have one more than whatever you'd have in base Undertale. Honestly, I prefer this safety net here. Also, another option. Also, YouTuber Awesome Andrew Games made his maximum XP video. Another option he had was to grind in this room. Just casually annihilate Washua. I flushed it down the toilet. Why? Why is Washua's hit point pool so itty bitty? I'm just gonna have at this until I actually start to lose hit points. Also, in general, you can spare mold smalls. Not worth the run. Shame. Also, you want to know how I got System Information 963 without actually completing Geno? It wasn't from downloading. It was because I had it saved so I could put it back into my save folder, or whatever you want to call it. If I get one more double mole encounter like this, I'm going to lose it. Genuine question. Why does it take so darn long to get encounters in Waterfall? Just casually whooping Aaron with a weapon he couldn't possibly hope to use. I flushed him down the toilet. If you couldn't tell, I've just been cracking up at Snap Cube Sonic dubs. Let me just casually have at this for an extended period of time. Honestly, this sounds completely different than its neutral counterpart. I wanted to time that. Like, I hate having that you have to resort to this glitch to actually do Geno in a reasonable amount of time. Especially in Waterfall. God, I hate Mold Small. As I was saying, yeah. Oh my. I could have one-shot Aaron. Much as I somehow beat that attack without dodging. Oh, yeah, that seems about right. Also, instead of the old tutu, now it's the worn tutu. want to know why I did all this to the weapons? It's rather simple, really. The reasoning behind this shenanigans is simply because of Under Traveler canon. Yeah, I fleshed this out in my head and nowhere else. So I'm giving you the original attack of these weapons. Like, the Perseverance Soul is the world's scrawniest force of destruction. It's the funniest thing to me. So I know I'm not getting to LV12, but I want to at least, the very least, get to 2000 XP by the end of this episode. Just by sparing mole smalls, you can get tons more XP. You know, I've been slacking off playing Minecraft. Yeah, I've been slacking off from my, YouTube duties of playing Undertale by playing Minecraft. When it used to be the other way around. Here's something I bet you didn't. So, Under Traveler has a run button, but no frisk dancing. Since you can't just idle here in one spot while holding up and down simultaneously. Well, yes, everything now deals one damage to you. You also have to take into consideration. You also have to take into consideration what amount what amount of invincibility frames you have, which is less. But don't worry, the Perseverance Soul items do remedy this. So you start with 15 invincibility frames, and then I set both to give you 8 invincibility frames each. Get me out here. What if you just had the permanent karma thing instead of invincibility frames and defense? So really, picking up any armor would be kind of worthless. Really just for style points. Yeah, also the run button. It's the same one you use to interact with objects. Uh, Hold on. think now we can go off and murder Shiren. Yep. Bye-bye. Is there like a word for potentially dangerous? You're sick and twisted. Talking to Musk. You know, also, ye olden days of Undertale, you could just hold up and down and go much faster. Either, alright, I have a proposition to tell you, Fox. Either you give us a run button, or you let us frisk dance while moving left and right. That is what I ask. Here we go. Undyne time. Undyne here is committing aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. You know, I can see right through Undyne. Why is it that the whole whatchamacallit? What am I saying? Yes, they call me Rock. Your mysterious Azrael sounding voice. You know I'm just making a reference to Rock. Oh no, she flushed me down the turlet. Honestly, I feel like the astronaut food should give you more than the cinnamon buns. Which in general you can just easily grab all 18. Find it. It's absolutely obliterate. Mad dummy like that. Oh, glad dummy. But you get it, right? I think I ordered. I think I may or may not have given myself one too many cinnamon buns. Also, I forgot the quiche. It's fine. I know that you may call this crazy. So I've been saving up the spider ciders. Because those heal 24, but the cinnamon buns heal 22. Yeah. Just, you know. And yes, I used man on the internet's Undertale Genocide package. Yeah. What you mean behind me? And also, I changed literally nothing about the pacifist run. Let's talk about the double standard of Undertale versus Undertale Yellow, shall we? Let's talk about the neutral route. Because in Undertale Yellow, the only neutral route that I see anywhere when looking things up on YouTube is when you board Geno, it's Steamworks. Anyways, I gave the Torn Notebook a 0 attack. Yeah. Instead of 2. Wait, hold up. David, no! David, stop! Close the door. Anyways, sorry. Just got a little hot. Elizabeth is here. Keep on telling David to close that door. God. David, close that. I'm just berating David. Which means, yeah. No, this is not. No, this is not an excuse just to be LV13. You'll see the funnies when it comes up. Trust me, this is going to save my old butt a lot. Holy. Yeah. Undyne still hits like a truck. Yeah, get that. I can't. I'm in the middle of the video. It's David again. David, the eternally obnoxious. Sorry. David's just getting in the way. Yes, the torn notebook and the stick now have the same attack. The thing is, the torn notebook has 2 bars and also increases your invincibility frames. Hold your horses, David. Alright. Can't move. David, no. Bad David. So, just, I need to talk to David for a bit. So, yeah. David, no. David, I'm already recording. Stop it, David. Seriously. Stop it, David. What about stop? Do you not understand? I'm in the middle of recording. I can't just get up and move like that. David, what did I tell you? David, no. Just let me finish up this fight. And then I'll end off. Anyways, I think maybe just a couple more minutes. Right there. Now let me talk to the audience. Alright, audience. My focus is... My words focus is back. I call you my audience. Alright. YouTube, I'll see you around. I said, YouTube.